Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now we will say the Orchard Hollow Best Pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow. Happy birthday today to Mrs. Gibson. We hope you have a great day, Mrs. Gibson. And now for our joke of the day. Why can't Elsa have a balloon? Because she will let it go. Remember, we are on our fully remote schedule today. We'll start the day from 8:45 to 9:15 with morning meeting. 9:15 to 10:45 will be your literacy block. 10:45 to 11 o'clock, you'll have your snack break. 11 o'clock to 12:30 will be your math block. 12:30 to 1:15 is your lunch break. 1:15 to 1:45 will be social studies, science, and writing. 1:45 to 2 o'clock is closing meeting. Make it a great day, Huskies.